Solo Noir Muse. Are you someone's muse? I'm sure you are. But Solo Noir Muse is an amazing beard oil. It adds moisture, shine, eliminate beard dandruff, and also just allow you to have a healthy finished look to the skin. The aroma is very light, faint, but also very masculine and enticing. This is an amazing beard oil. It's one of the most popular ones that we have. It will last you about 2 to 3 months. You only need to add a few drops, anywhere between 6 to 8 drops, and massage it into the skin. Some of the ingredients include argan oil, vitamin E, castor oil, sweet almond oil, organic manal oil, and then we also have some rosemary leaf extract in here. This product is amazing. It's, like I said, it's one of the most popular items. You could use it alone before you leave out for the day to give that shine to the beard, and then also you can use it with our Dapper Cleanser and Face Wash.